Good morning. I am Daisy. I am handling 8th standard mathematics, first chapter, equal triangles. In the last class, we discussed first property of equal triangles. Just we can recall the first property of equal triangles. Just we studied if three sides of a triangle is equal to three sides of another triangle, then angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Here we have two triangles ABC and PQR. Here we can mark AB is equal to PQ and AC, second side AC equal to QR and the third side BC equal to PR. Now see children, all three sides of ABC is equal to all three sides of PQR. Then angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Here we can take in the triangle ABC, AB first side we can take angle C. Angle C is opposite to AB, and in triangle PQR, angle opposite to PQ is angle R. That is, angle C will become equal to angle R. And the second side is AC in ABC. That is, angle opposite to AC is angle B. Angle B equal to, here the second side is PQ and the angle opposite to PQ is angle P. That is, angle B is equal to angle P, and third side is BC and opposite of BC is angle A, and here third side of triangle PQR is PR and opposite of PR is angle Q. This is the first property of equal triangles. Then next we can move to second property. Then for the second property, before discussing, see children, here there are two triangles. First triangle is triangle ABC and the second triangle is triangle PQR. Then if you look at the board, you can see that here in the both the triangles, two sides and included angle is given. In 7th standard, while drawing triangles, in that chapter we studied if two sides and included angle is given, then we can draw a triangle. Here also two sides and included angle is given. Then other than that, what is the speciality of these two triangles, children? Yes, the sides are equal and included angle is also equal. That means two sides and included angle is given. Then we can check what about the third side of these triangles. What is the measurement of third side? And what about the other two angles of the triangles? What is the measurement of other two angles? First of all, we have AB equal to QR and AB equal to QR, and next AC equal to PQ, AC equal to PQ. Then third side, what is the measurement of third side? We can measure the third side. First we can measure the third side of triangle ABC. 6.5 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter. And next we can come to third side of triangle PQR. See, the third side of triangle PQR is also 6.5 centimeter. That means in both the cases, third side of the both triangles are also equal. That means here the third side is BC, BC equal to PR. Next, two more angles are there. Next we can measure the other two angles. First we can measure the angle B of triangle ABC. Angle B is 55 degree. This is a 55 degree. And next one we can measure angle R of PQR. The case of angle R of PQR is also 55 degree. In both the cases, angle B is 55 degree and the angle is also 55 degree. And the third angle, we can measure the third angle also. Third angle is the first triangle 65 degree. In PQR, angle P, angle P also 65 degree. Then we got all three angles and all three sides of both the triangles. Look at the board, children. Here we understood the third side of the both the triangles are equal and other two angles are also equal. That means the second property says if two sides of a triangle and angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third side of the triangles are equal and the other two angles are also equal. Here, see, sides we wrote and next we can write the angles. Angle A. Angle A is opposite to BC. Angle A is opposite to BC. BC is a 6.5 centimeter. Here the second triangle 6.5 centimeter side is PR. Opposite of PR is equal to angle Q is equal to 60 degree. And the next angle in ABC is angle B. Angle B is opposite to AC, 6 centimeter. Here we can take PQ is 6 centimeter. Opposite of PQ is angle R is equal to 55 degree. And the third angle is angle C. Angle C is opposite of 7 centimeter AB. Here QR is 7 centimeter and opposite of 7 centimeter is angle P is equal to 65 degree. Here we got if two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the third side are equal and the other two angles are also equal. This is the second property of equal triangles. And next we can do one problem based on the second property of a equal triangles. See children, question: in each pair of triangles below, find the pair of matching angles and write them down. Two triangles are given with two sides and included angle, two sides and included angle. Before doing the problem, just look at the question and we can mark equal sides first. Equal sides 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, that is AB. AB equal to QR. And the second side is AC. Here PQ, that is AC equal to PQ. And first side is 3 centimeter and second side is 7 centimeter. Then included angle is 40 degree. And what about the third side? Third side also will become equal. This is the third side. Third side BC. BC equal to PR. BC is equal to PR. Next we can check the angles opposite to equal sides. First we can consider the side AB. AB is in ABC and equal side of AB is QR. Opposite of AB is angle C in triangle ABC, and opposite of side QR is angle P in triangle PQR. Next we can take the second side. Second side is AC in triangle ABC. Opposite of AC is angle B. Angle B. And opposite of PQ. Opposite of PQ is angle R in triangle PQR. Next third side. Third side is BC. BC, opposite of BC is angle A in triangle ABC. And here opposite of PR is angle Q in triangle PQR. Now we got 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Now I think all of you understood the problem. Next class we can discuss the next problem, and now we can wind up the class. Thank you.